All right, in this video, we're going to look to replace the battery on a Ford F-150 key fob. This is a key fob that came out in 2015 to present. So Ford F-150 2015 to present day here. And this isn't the smart key, so this actually has a key built in here. So if you look at the front here, it has a flip here, has your key access here. So you can still remote, unlock and lock or set off the alarm. But to change this, if you look on the side here, there's a small little ridge right there. And what you can do is you got to kind of get a small Phillips into that little area just in line with the unlock key there, and kind of slowly pry this back off. You can see that ridge right there, and there's another one kind of down in the middle, but the main one here is up at the top, and that will allow you to access the back of the key here. And then you can see you've got your CR2032, and once you're in there, you can take your flathead or just small nail clippers here and pop that battery right off. So pop in a new one, place there, make sure the text is facing up here, and put this battery back on. Again here, the key is this ridge. This indentation right here allows you to pop off the back very easily. Put a new battery in, pop that puppy back on, and now you're all set. So that's how you replace the battery on the Ford F-150 key fob that has the flip key like this. Now, the smart key also takes the same battery type, but it's a different process for getting off the back.